Okay, hello, I am back and I am going to start the vlog. Today I am going to do these personal pizzas. And I did get the idea from this book. And this book was from when my mom was little, so we both cooked in it. I think we cooked through all the pages. Yeah, because they're dirty on each page, so I think she cooked and I cooked through all these pages. So today I'm going to make personal pizzas. And my mom preheated the toaster oven, and I have with me 2 English muffins, a few of pepperonis, some cheese that's already grated, and some leftover spaghetti sauce, and a cooking sheet. So first, I am gonna pour this stuff, the tomato sauce, onto each one of these English muffins. So I'm gonna do that. And make sure to spread it all around with the bottom of the spoon. Okay. Next, I put the cheese, then pepperoni. Cheese. And you want big chunks of cheese because it takes a lot of cheese to fill up the whole pizza. And even it's a tiny pizza, but it takes a lot of cheese to fill up the whole pizza. So I just put big chunks of cheese there. Because you want the big chunks so it can feel creamy with cheese and stuff. Okay. And then I might put just dots of it here. Now. Done! Time to put them on the sheet. And we just gotta wait 18 minutes. Wait. Okay. Put it in. And it should start cooking.
I think it only takes about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then you'll be ready to eat.
Yeah, perfect. Hey guys, the pizza's ready and now it's time to cut it and then eat it. Mom, can you come over here to cut it?
Sure, bud.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna cut this in the party cut. So we're gonna make it look like a real pizza, just a mini version. So we'll cut it into little mini triangles, like a real pizza for you. How about that? Then you can plate it up and enjoy.
That's perfect.
Try it out, Liam. See how it tastes, buddy.
It's hot.
And if you guys use an aluminum foil lining on your pan, you might want to spray it because ours stuck a little bit because we forgot to spray it.
It's sticking.
But that should take care of the sticking.
That pizza sure was good. I love this recipe. You should try it too. Bye for now.